Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix important battery message in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're having this type of message in your iPhone settings, name important battery message. So let's see how can you fix this. So the very first you have to go back from here and you have to make a force restart to make a quick refresh with your iPhone system settings. So allow to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you and you're still having the same issue, so you just have to go for settings app, go for general here, go for chance for reset iPhone, select reset all settings, then verify yourself and continue to this step. It will only reset all of your iPhone settings. It will not delete any type of your data. So you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. Or if you are still having the same issues, you have to go for settings app, then go for general here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates, because sometimes pending software updates might have these type of errors. And after doing that, if you are still having the same issues, you have to check your iPhone hardware. So it might be that there will be an issue with your iPhone hardware, or you can exchange your battery to fix all type of battery issues. So you have to make sure that you are exchanging with original iPhone battery to fix all type issues. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.